According to NASA, global temperatures are on the rise, and that could spell trouble for future winter games. Plus, Australian astronomers discover an unidentified space object, and a pair of satellites touch the sky. VOA's Arash Arabasadi brings us a Winter Olympics edition of The Week in Space.
The Winter Olympic Games start this week, and for athletes like the U.S. snowboard team's Taylor Gold, they are a reminder that our planet is changing.
It makes me sad that we need so much man-made snow to sustain winter sports.
Gold competed in the Sochi Winter Olympics in 2014, and the 8 years since then have been the hottest on record. This according to recent and separate reports from NASA and NOAA, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration.
The biggest threat facing these cold, mountainous regions is basically a warming climate.
Tessa Gart is a PhD candidate at the University of Colorado Boulder. She's been tracking previous cities that hosted the Winter Games.
A lot of them are getting really, really warm, not just really warm, but really warm really quickly. And that has, massive ramifications, obviously, for the Olympic Games, as well as things like local economy, local climate, local weather.
Experts say too many carbon emissions trapped in our atmosphere mean that by 2050, only 10 of the last 19 Winter Olympic venues could host the Games if warming trends continue. Meanwhile, Chinese state television released this video, and VOA cannot independently verify its content, but it claims to show Chinese astronaut Wang Yaping aboard the Tiangong space station hosting part chemistry experiment and part art exhibit. China's government says she mixed chemical solutions in space to create the iconic Olympic rings.
Go Falcon, go, go.
Also this week, private spaceflight company SpaceX launched a pair of satellites. One launch carried a U.S. spy satellite, the video of which aired via webcast until the classified part of the mission cut that short.
And liftoff.
The other launch carried an Italian satellite that had been delayed 3 times by weather and once when a cruise ship encroached on the launch pad. Finally this week, Australian astronomers discovered a bright, pulsating object in our Milky Way galaxy roughly 4,000 light-years from Earth. They found that in 2018, the object emitted powerful pulses of energy every 18 minutes. The astronomers haven't said what it is, but they ruled out alien life forms.